Hi, sis. Hi. Oh, you watching the video? Yeah. It's a new episode, guys. Oh, here they are, too. It's a new episode, guys. Come on. Let's check it out.
Miss, your card declined. No! Pearl! That witch!
Are we not going to talk about what just happened at the party?
Drop it.
Seriously, I want to know what just happened. Why did she do that?
No, stop.
I want to know why your ex pushed my sister in the pool.
Sorry, baby.
Nobody gonna say anything, sis? I need to talk to you one-on-one.
Girl, I don't even want to talk about it. She's just a witch. I'm so glad to be going home.
This was fun, but I'm glad to go home.
Boys, be a dear and get the bag.
All these bags, man.
Going home.
Bye, Villa! I love this song.
It's my jam, girl. Love is so great, action. Where from a car? Let me go get it for you. Just like before.
Turn this one up.
The start of something going too long.
Yes, we home at last.
Hi, Father. Mom!
Dad, where's Mom? Hi, Mom. How was the trip, girls? Tell me everything.
Exhausting. I'm tired. Night.
What a night. Time to get dressed. You know what? I must spruce up my curls first. Oh, my hair looks bad. It's time for an updo. Just like that. I'm dressed and all done. I'll tell sis I'm gonna chill with Bae today.
For that trip, I need my medicines. What? No money? Oh my God.
I bet she's checking her closet. Sis, I'll be over Vaz today, okay?
Okay. I wonder.
Where's my keys?
Hope she leave her card. Bingo. Shopping, baby.
I always hate crossing that big road. Hi, babe. I'ma put a shirt on. I'll be back a sec. That was quick. So what you wanna do? Let's watch the art channel.
Girl, let's go shopping.
You say shopping? I'll be there.
Shopaholics, my prescription, my addiction.
Let's hit the store.
Let's go. I got money to blow.
Let's go to Manatop Fair.
You know it. Denim's next.
I love denim.
Let's go to girls.
Look, it's your fave store. Things pretty.
I want one of everything. Give me shoes. Give me clothes. Miss, your card declined. No!